Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Orchids, Cymbidium, Dendrobium, Oncidium and Phalaenopsis sp. are another safe flower to have around our pets. With this delicate flower, it's the plant that needs protection from the pets. Again, like any of the safe plants, ingesting orchids could cause mild GI upset if more than a bite or two is ingested.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Keep your bouquets somewhere your cats can't reach, if at all possible. Placing a wire cage around the plants is an option, as well as using a terrarium for tropical plants. You can also try placing sticky paw tape around cut flowers. Cats don't like the feel of it on their feet.
Let's help you make your mark.
Pollen, needles, seeds, flowers and leaves can all be potentially toxic for cats. Often cats ingest toxic plant substances while grooming themselves due to pollen or seeds being trapped in their fur or on their paws.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.